As the developers of the Origin One, we know our technology inside and out. We worked with our partners to design and print the part to get the best functional result. We're able to monitor print process data and analytics during the print to make sure everything is coming out right. We looked at a variety of materials for this application and ended up choosing two: a strong, stiff, highly chemically resistant material, and a flexible elastomer. What makes our technology special is the programmable photopolymerization process. P3 enables high-performance materials, exceptional accuracy, and consistency across parts.